Whether you need a side dish or a main course, this next recipe could be both. Howard shows us how to make noodles Romanoff in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Come dinner time, it's usually tough enough to think about what to serve as a main course. Never mind what side dishes to serve with it. So wouldn't it be nice if we found a side dish that went with practically everything, always gets rave reviews, and takes no time to throw together? Well, we have it, and it goes together like this. We begin by cooking some wide egg noodles according to the package directions. While they finish draining, we mix some sour cream with a stick of melted butter, a good amount of Parmesan cheese, a little minced garlic, chopped parsley, and a bit of salt and pepper. After giving this a good mix, we gently toss the noodles with all that creamy goodness. And if you want, you could even add in some ham or chicken to hearty it up. We spoon this into a baking dish and we'll top it with more Parmesan before popping it in the oven. Couldn't get any easier than that. And whether you serve this with a store-bought rotisserie chicken or a steak you threw on the grill, don't be surprised when our Noodles Romanoff steals the show. To get the recipe, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a noodleicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.